If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Purodasha. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 4 to 5 bay leaves, then take some fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper and black cardamom in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then 1 cup of rice flour, a quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, then half a cup of coconut cut into wedges, then half a cup of sugar. Take about 1 inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. Half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing and quarter teaspoon of salt. Now in a pan, first take all the ghee, followed by the ginger, the bay leaves, hing, all the coconut and the powder. Now roast this on medium flame for roughly about a couple of minutes. Then after that, add all the sugar, rice flour, along with 1.5 cups of water. Now combine these really well and keep stirring until the moisture is reduced and it will become like a thick batter. Then take a small tray which can fit into a steamer, then pour all the mixture into it and tap it for a few times to release the air bubbles. Now take some water in a steamer and bring that to boil. Then place the tray on top of it. Then cover it and let it steam for roughly about an hour. Then remove it and let it cool down completely. Then after that, with the help of a knife, cut them into small cubes. And now we will fry these. So for that, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on high. Then add them, but at a time, don't add too much of it, else the oil temperature will get reduced and these will end up soaking up the oil. So fry these only in high flame. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Purodasha. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.